What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous chateau of the Saint-Émilion appellation in the Bordeaux wine region of France. Yes, this is a Grand Cru Classé, a classified growth during the 2012 classification of the wines from Saint-Émilion, a wine that is owned by the Vignoble Cap de Mourlin, a famous estate and winery of Saint-Émilion. We are looking at how to pronounce Château Balestard La Tonnelle. Yes, the D at the end of Balestard is silent. Balestard La Tonnelle, with the typical French pronunciation, it'd be fine in English or American to say Château Balestard La Tonnelle. Château Balestard La Tonnelle. Otherwise, in French again, Château Balestard La Tonnelle, Château Balestard La Tonnelle, Grand Cru Classé of Saint-Émilion. If you want to learn more about the 2012 classification of the wines from Saint-Émilion, how it came about, all of the top chateaux in the appellation, here is a video that you may want to consider watching next. I will leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.